Cardano address driving you nuts? Let's get it sorted. First up, double-check the address for typos. Even one wrong character can mess things up. Make sure you copy and paste correctly. No extra spaces or characters sneaking in. Next, know your address type. Cardano has different types like Shelley and Byron. Use the right one. Dealing with network issues? Your wallet or exchange might not be in sync with the Cardano blockchain. And high traffic? It can delay address validation. Wallet problems? Ensure you have the latest version of your wallet software. Check those settings too. If you're on a hardware wallet, make sure it's connected and updated. Need quick fixes? Verify the address with a checksum validator. Check the Cardano network status. Update your software, restart your devices, and don't hesitate to contact support if you're stuck. Remember, use a reliable wallet, double-check addresses, and for long-term storage, consider a paper wallet. Happy transacting, Cardano users.